Hello viewers, please subscribe our channel and hit a like. Thank you.
Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. Today I'm talking about what is Google Scanner. What is Google Scanner? Google Scanner is a software which you can use for make a scan PDF. Photoscan by Google Photos. It is the software. You go to the Play Store and search Photoscan by Google Photos. It is the Google LLC software and it is so valuable software. You can scan any kind of photos or everything on this here. What is the about of this app? It is cheap 31 megabyte app. What is the about of this app? Photos from the past meet the scanner from the future. Photoscan is a scanner app from Google Photos that let you scan and save your favorite printed photos using your phone's camera. Picture perfect and glare free. Do not just take a picture of a picture, create enhanced digital scan whatever your photos are. Get glare free scans with an easy step-by-step capture flow. Automatic cropping based on each select detection. Straight rectangular scan with perspective correction. Smart rotation so that your photos stays side up no matter which you scan them. Scan in sounds. Capture your favorite printer photos quickly and easily so that you can spend less time editing and more time looking at your bad childhood haircut. Safe and searchable with Google Photos. Backup your scans with the Google Photos app to keep them safe, searchable and organized. To bring your scans to life with movies, filters and advanced editing controls, and share them with anyone just by sending a link. What's new? User capture and save. Scanned photos are saved to your device on capture. Improved corner editor. In addition to the corners, you can now drag the edge to adjust the automatic cropping of your scanned photo. Here's the about of this software. Now go to the software and install this software. Just taking some times. Wait for the app. Okay, now open the software. Start scanning. Here you can use for camera. My background is black, so there is not showing anything. Okay, my camera does not show anything because of the it's is blanky and now is night running and night times I stop my light, but it is a valuable software. You can use it for your if you can try to scan anything. Here's the about photos from the past meet the scanner from the future. Scan photos in seconds, glare free, automatically cropped, enhance and rotate. Google Photos. Keep your scan safe with Google Photos. All everything is so good and perfect. Thanks all of guys. Have a nice day, and please subscribe our channel and press a bell icon. Okay, bye bye, tata.